Good day, this is smartwatchnotifications.com, your website for smartwatch specs news and reviews. After we compare the design and specs of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 versus the Huawei Band 10, on this video we are going to focus on the offered features. So we will compare the UI and the menus and features side by side. So if you are interested to see the difference between two wearables when it comes to menus and features, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and compare the menus and features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 versus the Huawei Band 10. So let's put this on the side. So on top here, we have the settings, we have notifications. On the bottom part, we have the menus. On the bottom part for the Huawei Band 10, we have the notification. We have the widgets here. I like the layout here of our Huawei Band 10 compared to the Xiaomi Band 10 when it comes to the UI. To access the main menu, just swipe up. Here, just press the power button. So we have the workout. So 100 plus sports functions for the Huawei Band 10, 150 sports functions for the Xiaomi Band 10. Activity, records, we have a specific here, sports for our Xiaomi. We have it here. I don't see any functionality for our Huawei Band 10 when it comes to running. Okay, specific function for running. So we have the heart rate, we have the training state here, we also have a heart rate here, but we do have a pulse wave arrhythmia analysis for the Huawei. We have SpO2, we have vitality, we have stress here, breathing guide, we have SpO2 also, or blood oxygen monitoring. We also have a sleep monitoring, I think, for the Huawei Band 10. Let's see. Stress. We have here the sleep monitoring. Okay. We have the stress also here. Weather report. We have calendar, alarm, timer. We have a flashlight, find phone, focus, and compass. We don't have a remote camera control, I think, for the Huawei Band 10. And we also don't have a compass, as well as a feature for silencing the phone. We don't have it here. For the settings, so we have pin. Again, for the settings, we have the home screen, we have the display, we have brightness option, tap to wake. So more options here for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. We have vibration, we also have it here, but you can personalize the vibration here for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Compared to our Huawei Band 10, you can only change the intensity. For our Xiaomi Smart Band 10, there's a lot of options here. You can personalize. So much better for the Xiaomi compared to our Huawei here when it comes to vibration option. Do not disturb mode. We have custom cards. We have a watch face. Notifications, let's see. Wake screen on. Okay, they almost have the same functionality here. Okay, almost the same feature. We have a support for payment. We don't have it here, but I think for in the China model, we do have a support for payment. We have the same feature here. Share heart rate. We have heart rate broadcast also here. Auto detect for sports. We also have it here. Workout. auto detect workouts we have also here. Go back. What else do we have here? We have pinned. We have pin here, or password. Yes, we do have. Do not disturb, vibration, home screen. Okay, we do have the widgets. I think we also have an option we also have an option here for our Huawei Band 10. Let's see. I think it's available here in the display. Custom cards. That's it. Okay, that's the widgets here. Going back, more options. I think for personalization there are more options here for the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 compared to the Huawei Band 10. But when it comes to UI, I like the Huawei Band 10, and of course the physical button here is it is very useful, especially if you are navigating the UI. Workout, you have the outdoor run here. Let's see. Okay, which do you think is better when it comes to presenting the stats here, or the metrics for the sports functions? I like the layout here of the Huawei Band 10. Going back, long press to stop. Check. For the Huawei Band 10, just press and stop. Check. Okay. So as you can see, the button is very useful. Long press to change. And there's also a settings here to change the design. Okay. Long press, settings. You can also change here the data. We don't have it here in our Xiaomi Smart Band 10, but we have here on the Huawei Band 10. So when it comes to the personalization option of the watch face, I like the Huawei Band 10. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the offered menus and features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 versus the Huawei Band 10. Which do you think is better when it comes to feature offering? Drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.